Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Tieu Xao, which is like a Vietnamese noodles stir fry. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients so you guys can see. So we got eggs, peas, bacon, spring onion and Tieu Xao, like the Vietnamese pho noodles. So these are rice noodles, so yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm not gonna be pausing the video, and I just wanna make sure this video is a bit raw so you guys can see what I'm doing. So it's gonna turn it to here so you guys can see it in a second. So you can see me. See me cooking, so yeah, it's easy. So we're gonna turn on the oven. We're gonna turn the fan on. So basically, if you can't hear the fan, it's how it is. It's different, but it should help. But if no fan, it's different. But I'll cook without the fan tonight, so I'll show you how it is. Because the fan can distract the video and the audio as well. So I'll just do it without the thing. Okay. So basically, just make sure I zoom in a bit so you can see me down there. Okay, just one second. So make sure you can see me properly. 1 second. It's a bit hard. 1 second. Put me up the way. Alright. So basically just gonna put it up a bit so you can see me. Alright, so basically I'm just going to be cooking the food so you see it. On high heat. Second. So you can see me here stirring the food so it's not hard. And first what we want to do is put oil in here. So oil. I'm just going to do a really quick cooking video so you guys can see what I'm doing. Because I normally cook a lot, but I used to cook more than now. So, yeah. Make it for like around 10 seconds at least, you know, so it doesn't really get bad. Okay. And then we're going to put the pho rice noodles in. Shaking it. So make sure use this to stir around and breaking it. So it's just stirring at the moment, so basically just stirring it up a bit, you know. I'm just gonna make it burnt a bit, you know, so you can see it. So we let it sit for a bit to burn the thing. Because I want it to be burnt. That's the best. See. Burn some of this. using a fry gun so you can see what I'm doing with it, you know. Really good. Burning perfectly good. So you see it, you know. Perfectly burnt. I'm just going to burn it a bit more. Stop there. So getting back into stirring the rice noodles for a bit. It's a bit sticky, you know, so that's how it is. It's a bit sticky, so it's not really easy to go through that. So you just have to like do what you gotta do, you know. So we just like stirring it up a bit, you know, and making sure the heat's really good with it, you know, and then after that, so now it's perfectly heated up a bit, it's good. So I'm just going to put some condiments in. So putting the pho seasoning in, so if you can see it, pho seasoning. I'm just going to put it in to mix my Tieu Xao, you know. Probably 2 later on if you need it. But right now I think 1's good enough. I'm going to stir the crap out of it. Stirring really good. Stirring really finely. Doing an excellent boil. Stirring this way. Yeah. Another one on top of it. So the same pho seasoning flavor we're going to put in. Yeah. Stirring the rice over it, you know, looking feeling good. Stir a bit there so it burns the thing. And then a bit of like the bell fat noodles. So I'm talking about these bell fat noodles, if you can see it. We're going to put them in. So I'm going to put 2. Yep, put 2 in there to see exactly how it is. Okay. You're in the camera, honey. There's my phone on the side, you can see him. Come here. You can see myself. Yeah. So we're doing a cooking video today, so that'll be our content for today, to make something special for people to watch. So if you can see this here, that's the food. Stirring up the frozen noodles so you can see it. It's hard to do it with no camera, people, but I just want you guys to see what I can do with my frozen noodles, and this is a Tieu Xao, you know. It's like a special stir-fry Vietnamese dish. No, it's all good. We're mixing it around.
We're together a real minced meat.
So Don't worry, it'll be good. It'll be good. I'll make sure it's good. I'm gonna really make sure that this is really good. So that's good right now. And then we're gonna put ABC sauce in there. So this is ABC sauce, if you can see. ABC sauce. It's really sweet soy sauce that we need. We're gonna put it in there a little bit. Just like maybe a tablespoon. If you don't want too much to stir it up and thing. And then you stir it up a bit, you know, and then make sure it gets all the flavor in. So you can see I'm stirring it up like that. Really good. It's really nice, tasty. And then we're gonna put the seasoning, the ingredients in afterwards. So first we'll get the base coming in.
Bacon.
And 1 second. We're gonna get eggs. So eggs coming in.
Quick.
That's eggs. So we get egg. And then we got the vegetables. We got the bacon itself. And then a little bit of spring onions coming in. Use my hand so it's easy. And then we're going to stir it up with this and this. You can stir it up with this and this. Keep stirring it. It's hard stirring up when the camera's not in the right here, you know. But we're doing it the best we can. So just shove it in there. And then we're going to put a bit of spicy sauce in there as well. So we're going to put a bit of sriracha sauce because I love sriracha sauce. So you can see it. Sriracha sauce. So a little bit in. And then mix the crap out of it until it's done. That piece has gone crazy today. So something like that. And then a bit of MSG coming in. MSG. This MSG, if you don't know what MSG is like. So 1, 2, 3, and then stir the crap out of it. Sorry, I just didn't mean to do that. So a bit of tongue me today. We're taking the cold out of it. You see how it's getting really nice.
Little chunky part there.
Yeah, well, for them to take out. Okay, so we're pretty much getting good with it.
In the container?
Yeah, in a minute. Just 1 second. I'm on the camera, honey. Yeah? Can't see on this. So stir it up for around like maybe a minute or two. And then you should be fine. That's what it's fat in the end, the last one on the video had with me, so I don't know. really perfectly fine. So
That's fine.
this is what you call beautiful. Wait 1 second, honey. I'm videoing, yeah?
Alright.
Okay, so stop rushing me from video. I'm trying to do this because people will see us what we're doing. And I don't want to fart on the camera as well. Okay, so basically, this is the end results that you're gonna have. 1 second. So this is the end results I want to show you guys, so you guys can see it. Yep. So I'm gonna put it aside so you guys can see it. So that's the results of it. And I'm just gonna take a little bite so you can see what I'm doing with it, you know. So here I'm gonna take a bite. 1 second. I'm gonna have to blow it first because it's a bit like hot. Mmm. It tastes a bit like pho and a bit of sriracha and a bit of all the continents in there. It's good. It's really good. I promise you, it's really good. Okay, so if you guys can try it, follow up the ingredients what I'm putting in so you guys can see it. Okay, so basically, this is the last video I want you guys to see is the video product that we have here. So this is the product that I have made, and I also made 5 rice as well before, so if you don't know what I did. So this is the 5 rice as well. So you look closely, you can see it. And yes, so I hope everyone enjoyed this video. So it was a crazy video and I had a big day today, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.